guys, welcome back to my channel. I actually took a break finally from watching Life PD to get some stuff done around the house. Things did sort of pile up on me because I had been cooking all day and throwing dishes in the sink. And as you can tell, my daughter eats like 19 times a day during the summer, so a lot of this stuff is actually hers. But I thought I would bring you guys along on this quick tidy up of the bottom level of my house.
It's making me crazy. If I'm having a good time, don't you blame me. Yeah, this feeling I've got's making me crazy, making me crazy. So I'm just gonna drive. I'm just gonna drive. I'm just gonna drive.
This is that Wyman cooktop cleaner I've been talking about that I was out of. I really love this stuff. It cuts through every bit of anything that's on your stove. So I just wanted to make sure I showed you guys what I've been talking about that I've actually been out of. But I absolutely love this stuff.
Been running out of air, so let me catch my breath. Feeling I've got's making me crazy. If I'm having a good time, don't you blame me. Yeah, this feeling I've got's making me crazy, making me crazy. So.
And to clean my countertops, they are granite, so I am using the Method Granite Cleaner. I had some people concerned when I was using the Miss Myers, but I'm pretty sure that you can use whatever cleaner you want on granite as long as your granite is sealed. But just to be safe, I did go ahead and switch over to the Method Granite Cleaner.
I'm just gonna drive.
Remember when you told me you believe in something and you said you're done pretending that fate is patient. Go run away, get it out of your system. Come back when you're older. Go find a place where you can't be the victim. And come back when you're older. Go catch the storm within your broken bones. And be wild, 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 wild.
I'm just taking the inner liner out of their little swing/bouncer seat. I think they're getting a little bit too big, and it's getting really dirty because they randomly will spit up in there. So I'm just going to go ahead and take it out and wash it and then just put it up. I cannot believe they're big enough to be taking the liners out of different things like their car seats and stuff. So yeah, my mind is blown, but as you can see, my living room still looks very much like a daycare. Having twins, I just think it's inevitable.
Summer's end, and you feel that this is your beginning. Well, colors fade, but it's okay. There is good in changes. Go run away, get it out of your.
I've had a few me random questions here and there about this book on the mantle. It's not a Bible. It's actually a book from the 1800s. And oddly enough, National Treasure is playing. And I've talked about this before, but I just love history. And I just love having a book that's that old on my mantle. But it is very delicate, so that's why I have it set up like that. Because I have two little puppies that run around in my house all the time, I do have to constantly do the Swiffer on the floor. I love having cardboard floors because they are pretty easy to clean. I've had a lot of questions about this Swiffer. I think I just bought it at Target, to be honest, but if I can find it, I will link it down below for you guys. So like I said, this is just my typical kind of tidy up the levels of my house. We typically are downstairs every single day in the same rooms, living room, kitchen, and this entryway right here. So this is just what I have to do to keep all of it clean. But I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.